Hey everybody, it's Marissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys a small little project that I did. Last month I had created some little gnomes, some girly gnomes, and I will also link in the description box below the tutorial that I followed and my video with the gnomes. But today I wanted to show you some Valentine gnomes that I did make, and I did make some girly gnomes again because I thought it's fitting. I think it's super cute, the girl gnomes. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the first gnome that I made. And look at how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so all of these that you see here that I used, the fuzzy socks, I got them from the Dollar Tree. So everything is from the Dollar Tree, except for this. Had this in my stash. The buttons I had in my stash, and the little bling and the bows I already had in my stash. But other than that, the sock, the body, is also a sock from Dollar Tree. And these little tags here are also from Dollar Tree. They have this in the crafting section. So these are little tags to use as feet. So this is, and I'll link down the video below of the tutorial that I followed, as well as the video that I made on the other girly gnomes that I did. These are a lot smaller and more petite. And I really like this size because it's super cute. So with this gnome, I think I put too much filling for me personally in the top right here, because I don't like the way you have to kind of like maneuver it. Like it pops up too much right here because I want it to slouch. But for me personally, I put too much fill. But other than that, it's super cute. So this time what I did differently with this gnome is I braided her hair. Isn't that super cute? I braided her hair. You guys, even the hair on this gnome is actually a mop. It's a mop from Dollar Tree. And you just cut it apart. So look at how cute. And then I just put this here, the little bows at the end, and these cute little buttons, and the nose, how I got it. So this is part of the sock for the body. I use blush just to make the nose pink, and it turned out so stinking adorable. I love it. So there's that one. And the next one I did, it's just a different color scheme and a sock. So look at how adorable. I didn't braid her hair. I left it down. And then I have the red hearts and a fuzzy sock. And then at the top, I used this puffy heart that I have in my stash already. So super cute. Now for the top, I mentioned that I put fill on the inside the sock. You don't have to do that. That's optional. So you can basically make it however you like. So super cute. I love it. So there's that one. And they're triplets. They're sisters. And this is my favorite one. Look at how stinking cute. And they're all Valentine theme, if I haven't mentioned that. But this one, I made it black. The black fuzzy sock. And I put the bow here. I have this bow. I think this is the Dear Lizzie bow that came out at Tuesday morning that everybody was looking for, like a couple years ago. So this is a Dear Lizzie bow. Had it already. This is from Hobby Lobby. It's a Hobby Lobby bling sticker. And then I braided her hair as well. Used the satin bows that I had in my stash. And then again, I added the little flatbacks here. And I think it turned out super duper cute. So the other ones that I did make last month, I did gift them to people, so I don't have those left, and I couldn't show you guys. But these I made, I didn't want to make too much. I wanted to make them as I go, but I am gifting these ones. So I think they turned out so super adorable. Look at how cute they are. And they're smaller than the ones that I did make last month. However, look at how cute, and it just depends on the body. Like for me, you just got to kind of like play with the body part here, because that's where you use the fill. They say to use beans, or you could use rice, which I did purchase both from Dollar Tree. But I prefer the rice, because the rice isn't as lumpy. So I love it. And I put less rice in the sock just to so that I can make the little girly gnomes a little bit more smaller. But look at how stinking cute that is. So I'm going to be gifting these. So yeah, this is my little project share I wanted to show you guys. I hope everybody is having a fantastic day. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now.